Hello, my dear students. Next, a very simple topic, that is Greek words and Latin words. So, this one will be asked in the vocabulary heading in the second paper under correct headings. So, we have to identify what are the Greek words and what are the Latin words, or what are the singulars and plurals out of these two kinds of words. So this is not at all a difficult thing, but a few words are there. If we come to know the meaning of these words, it will be not at all difficult for us. Okay, so here the first word is basis. Basis means the bottom, or see this one, base means bottom, or any foundation. So this is the root word is Greek. Plural is see, singular here I is there, singular I is there, in plural E will be there. So that is the difference. So the difference is I and E. Basis, bases. Other derivatives are there, basal, baseless, basement. These words also came from the word basis. So next one is criterion. Criterion, here you can see ON is there, no? Its plural form you have IA. So this we have to understand. Criterion means a principle. Criterion means it is a principle or standard. Principle or standard by which something may be judged or decided. So root word it is taken from Greek. Plural is criteria. Criterion singular, criteria plural. Some derivative word is there, that is a criterial. That is a criterial. You can see in the graph some basis has been taken. On y-axis basis will be taken, over which graphs are made, or conclusions will be made, or political decisions, social decisions, scientific derivations. For that some criterion we will take, some factors we will take. So the next word is a crisis. So in exam what is important? Crisis is singular, crisis is plural. IS, ES, this difference. So what is the meaning? A sudden change or turning point towards danger or instability. These words, sudden change, turning point, danger, stability, instability might be there. So this root word is Greek. Plural form is crisis, singular crisis, plural crisis. So variables are not mentioned here. Next word we will see, that is a diagnosis. Diagnosis. In examination we have to identify which is the singular, which is the plural. Here SIS is there, here SES. These two things important. What is the meaning? The act or process of finding out the nature of illness. Diagnosis, one disease, one diagnosis. Many diseases, many diagnoses. So this is done in hospitals or in clinical laboratories. So the diagnosis word is the root word is from Greek, and the derivatives are also there. Diagnostic, diagnostical, diagnostically. So adjectives are there and adverbs are there. So this you can use. The singular is a diagnosis, IS, ES, plural. So this you should not forget. So next word is a phenomenon. Phenomenon. So singular or plural. Here NON, previous suffix NON, phenomenon. Plural only NA, phenomena. So this you have to differentiate. What is meant by phenomenon? An event or process or occurrence, something which is happening. So in the picture you can see the rainbow is there. Rainbow is a kind of a physical phenomenon. If you take a rainbow and something else, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, like that, if you take 3 or 4 kinds of phenomenon, plural is phenomena. So derivatives, phenomenal, adjective, phenomenally, adverbs are there. So phenomenal, phenomenally are also the derivative words from this word phenomenon. So what we have learned is singular phenomenon, plural phenomena. So next word we will see species. Species, again a Greek word, a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of interbreeding. That means a population of a group of animals or plants or bacteria or algae or anything, a fungus, it might be species. A group of organisms between which reproduction, sexual reproduction can be easily happen. So that kind of group of plants or animals called species. So here species, it is also a Greek word. What is the singular and plural? You see, same singular, same plural. Here both are same, singular species, plural is also species. So no any difference. So some adverbs, adjectives are there. You can say special or special, adjective, speciation, noun, specific, adjective. So the words are some words which we can connote, we can relate to species. So here both it is a Greek word, both the singular and plural are same. So next word we will see stigma. So here finally stigma, we are going to add a ta. So here we are adding ta to stigma. We are adding ta, that will become plural. So it is also a Greek word. What is meant by stigma? A mark of disgrace. Disgrace means manam pogoట్టుకోవడం, or infamy, or becoming infamous, becoming notorious. A stain, marka, or a reproach, or blaming, as one's reputation. Reputation means fame, popularity, ఒకటి గౌరవాన్ని పోగొట్టడం, that is a stigma. So there are 2 different meanings. One you can see on the skin, so this black spot we can call as a stigma. And also in a flower, the female, the gynoecium consists of a stigma at the tip of the gynoecium. Tip of the style has a stigma. So 2 different meanings are there. So stigma, it ends with the ma. If we add a ta, that will become plural. So here one verb form is there, that is called stigmatize, means blaming others, or stigmal. Or stigmal is a adjective. So stigma, stigmata, singular stigma, plural stigmata. So like that, another word is there, another Greek word, stoma is there. Stoma means the mouth. Actually stoma means a mouth. Stoma. For stoma we are adding a ta. Just like for stigma we added a ta, for stoma also we added ta. So singular becomes a plural. It is a Greek word. A minute meaning a minute opening on leaves or mouth, we call a stomata. We know stomata is actually a plural form. Singular form is stoma, or stomium is also there. Other derivatives are stom, stomal, stomium. So stomium is mouth, stoma, stomata. These 2 Greek words, singular and plural. So next word we are going to see thesis. Thesis, you see here is are there. At the end the suffix is is, here prefix is es. So thesis, thesis. What is thesis? An essay or article or any particular subject in which one has done original research for a diploma or a degree at the end of a course. At the end of a BTech or MBBS or MTech or diploma course or any degree, we submit one book to the department, that is called thesis. So it is also a Greek word. Singular thesis, plural thesis. Is at the end in singular, es at the end in the plural. So antithesis, hypothesis are the other related words. Antithesis and hypothesis. So next one, zoon is there. Zoon. Zoon means animal. You know this word familiar. Plural is zoa. See here. In a zoona we have removed on. We have removed on and we have added a ye. So plural, singular. You can see this. Zoona, zua. Zoona, zua. So simply we have added a here. Singular zoon, plural zua. Zoon means an animal. It is also a Greek word. In Greek, zoon means an animal. Derivatives, you know, zoology, study of animals. Zoonosis, diseases transmitted from animals. Zoo, a place where animals are kept. So these are the some Greek words which we are expected to get in our exams. So you read all these Greek words. Here are the Latin words. Here onwards you can see Latin words. Alga is there. Alga. Alga is there, for which we have added a e to make a plural form. Alga, algae or algae actually. Pronunciation is algae. Simply we have added a e to make it a plural. So chlorophyllous, photosynthetic, autotrophic, aquatic organisms are seaweed. Simply in Telugu we call it as pachi. So alga, a photosynthetic, autotrophic, aquatic and water living organisms. So it is a root word is a Latin. So other terms are there. Algal, adjective, algin, a substance from alga. Algicide means a chemical which kills a poisonous algae in water. So alga singular, algae plural. So next word we are going to see is alumnus, that is male, alumna female. Alumnus, alumna, alumnus male. For that plural is alumni. For that plural is alumni. Both are male. Single male, many males. Alumna female, singular, plural alumni. So a little bit confusion. Don't be confused. Alumnus, alumni, alumna, alumni. So an alumnus means what? Alumnus of a college, university or other school is a former and before, previous pupil or a student. ఇంతకుముందు చదువుకున్న విద్యార్థి. Alumnus, alumni, alumna, alumni. It is a Latin word. Don't be confused. So next word is axis. You know this word in both mathematics and physics. As imaginary, motionless straight line around which a body such as the earth rotates. You can see in the diagram, this is axis of the earth. So here is the axis. So Latin word plural is axis. Here you see the word, the letter E. E is the difference. Here I. In singular I is there, in plural E is there. Axis, axis. So variables are the axle. You know axle of a bicycle, axle of a bike. So axial is the adjective. Axle is noun. So axis. In singular I is there, in plural E are there. E is there. Next one you see datum. Datum is singular of a Latin word datum. So plural is data. Here um replaced by a. Datum, data. Datum singular, data plural. Datum is a piece of information. A piece of information. It is also a Latin word. Next word ellipsis. This is also a common word in mathematics and also in physics. Ellipsis singular, is. Here es. Ellipsis singular, ellipses plural. What is meant by ellipsis? An ellipsis consists of either 3 or 4 periods or dots. You can see here 3 dots. So ellipsis, derivatives are the ellipsoid, ellipsoidal. The earth is a ellipsoidal. So this is a kind of oval shape. So ellipsis singular, ellipses plural. So next word, erratum. Erratum, this word we usually see in the newspapers. This is regarding mistakes. You can see an error. Erratum, the word comes from error or mistake in printing or writing, or a list of corrected errors appended to a book like this. In a book or in a newspaper, we get the erratum. In previous day, if any mistake is there, that will come in the today's paper as erratum. It is a Latin word. Plural is errata. Here see um, suffix um is replaced by erratum, errata. Don't forget this word. Next word, fungus, fungi. So here suffix us, here I. Fungus, fungi, fungi, fungi. So different pronunciations are there. A fungus means yeast, molds, or mushrooms, bujulu, లేదా కుక్కగొడుగులు. So it is a root word from Latin. So adjective fungal, fungicide is a chemical which kills a fungus. So fungus lo us singular, I plural. At the suffix end I is there, fungus, fungi, or fungi or fungi. So hypothesis, so here also singular word. So is suffix, here es. So proposed explanation. Hypothesis means before any theory, a scientist introduces hypothesis. It is a thought without any scientific proof made on the basis of limited evidence. After evidence, it will become a theory or law as a starting point for a further investigation. Research చేసేటప్పుడు ప్రూఫ్ ఉంటే అది థియరీ లేదా లా అవుతుంది. హైపోథీసిస్ ఒక థాట్, ఒక ఇమాజినేషన్. సో హైపోథీసిస్ విల్ బికమ్ theory or law. But here our interest is singular and plural. Here is singular is, plural es. So hypothetical adjective. Hypothetical is adjective. Next word, larva. We know that in the life cycle of insects, we know larva, at the end only a is there. Here are there. Larva, larvae, singular larva, plural larvae. Latin words. Immature stage in the life cycle of some insects, butterfly or silkworm or mosquito, housefly. We know different kinds of larvae. Singular is larva, plural you can see larva here. This is larva of an insect. A larval is an adjective. Larva, larvae. So next word, matrix, matrices. Matrix. See here, x is a suffix. X has become ces. See this. Matrix, matrices. So a rectangular array, matrix in a mathematics, array of numbers or other mathematical objects for which operations such as addition and multiplication are defined. So here this one, matrix or a plural means matrices. It a root word is Latin word. Next one, medium, media. Medium, medium, media, singular, plural. Something that is in a middle position. So if you are swimming in water, your medium is a water. If you are standing in air, your medium is air. So in a refraction of light, it moves from air to water. So medium means a medium in which we live. The place where we live is medium. Our media means newspapers. You can see in the diagram, in the picture, media means internet, television, radio, magazines, newspapers also we can call as a media, plural. So medium, media, Latin words. Next, memorandum. Here you see at the end. here simply a. Memorandum singular, memoranda plural, meaning a written message or contract or other legal details. So this kind of a memorandum given to as a complaint to any employee. Employer gives a memorandum to his employee, like this. Memorandum singular, memoranda plural. So next word is nebula. The next word is nebula. Nebula is a Latin word, singular. Nebulae is a plural. Here at the end we have a suffix a. So whereas in the case of nebulae, ae. So this minor things we have to observe in examination. A cloudy speck, two meanings are there. One is with respect to eye, a cloudy speck or film on the eye. Second one is great interstellar clouds. Here this is the I have a nebula. If you get a nebula, old people, if they get nebula, they cannot see. Vision problem. Cataract is different, nebula is different. So here you can see lot of stars, millions of stars would be there. So two meanings are there of nebula. These days basically we use this word for a cloud of stars, a cloud of stars. Singular is so again you see singular suffix is a, plural is suffix is ae. So next word radius, plural radii. Here you see ius we use in radius, in plural double I, radii. So radius, radii, a straight line extending from the center of a circle or sphere to the circumference or surface. You know this, so I need not to explain. The adjective is radial. So radial, radius, radial, radius, especially we use in circles. Next one, stimulus and stimuli. So here the word stimulus, sorry, here m should be there, stimulus, not n. Stimulus will be there. Stimulus, lus singular, li plural. Stimulus, stimuli, utprerakamu, something that incites, that excites to action. For example, here light is exciting the plant to give flowers, This kind of things are called stimulus. If somebody pinches you, that is a stimulus that makes you to slap on his face. So stimulus means anything that excites, that incites. It is also a Latin word, stimulus, lus, li. Stimulate, verb, stimulate, stimulation, noun. Next word we will see syllabus. You know syllabus? Curriculum, curricula, syllabus. Here bus is there at the end, us, whereas here at the end only I will be there. Syllabus, syllabi, a summary, outline or a list of discourse, course of study or of examination requirement, like that we will get a syllabus. Plural is syllabi. One subject syllabus, many subjects syllabi. So it is also a Latin word. So another word is there for syllabus. Another word is a curriculum or curricula. Here you can see culum, lum. So yeah, curriculum singular, curricula plural. So next word. So these are the words. Next we will do simply a small revision, then a smaller test will be there. We'll just read the list. First one, Greek words are there. So these are all the Greek words, and the other list is Latin words. So singular and plural I read once as a recapitulation. Basis, basis, criterion, criteria, crisis, crisis, thesis, thesis, stigma, stigmata, diagnosis, diagnosis, species, species, no change. Stoma, stomata, phenomenon, phenomena, zoon, zoa. So next read Latin singulars and plurals. You see axis, access, alga, algae, larva, larvae, nebula, nebulae, alumna, alumni, alumnus, alumni, fungus, fungi, radius, radii, stimulus, stimuli, medium, media, datum, data, memorandum, memoranda, ellipsis, ellipses, hypothesis, hypothesis, matrix, matrices, erratum, errata, syllabus, syllabi. So these words as a test we will see. A model question is given. Here we have to select 4 words. We have to write down 4 words under singular nouns and 4 words under plural nouns. Totally 8 words are given. Diagnosis, data, datum, syllabus, fungi, fungus, syllabus, diagnosis given. So we have to first of all, in the last video also I told you, first you select the singular nouns. First column we have to select. So here diagnosis is singular. Next one, datum is singular, syllabus is singular, fungus, syllabus. 4 words we have taken. So these 4 words we write one by one like this, like this, like this, like this. 4 words. Once we have written 4 words, then we have to go for plural verbs. So what are the plural verbs? The remaining ones are plural verbs. You see plural verbs. Opposite to diagnosis. So here diagnosis is there. No. What we write? Diagnosis. Diagnosis, diagnosis. If you take a second one, datum is second word. For that second word, data we write. We write data. And the same way syllabus, for syllabus we write syllabi. For fungus we write fungi, like this. So diagnosis, datum, syllabus, fungus comes under singular nouns. Data, fungi, syllabi, diagnosis comes under a plural nouns. Like that we fill up. And let us see one more model is there. In this model question, we have to put 4 words under Latin plurals and 4 words under Greek plurals. For example, you see syllabi, it is a Latin plural. In the same way, errata is a Latin plural, data is a Latin plural, media is a Latin plural. So these 4 we put here, these 4 words, syllabi, errata, data and media. So whereas the remaining things, crisis, phenomena, thesis, diagnosis, these 4 words we put under Greek plurals. So like this answer will be solved very easy. Now you start writing down these notes, and after that you revise them after within 3 days, so that you will not forget. And frequent revisions will keep these words in our mind. There is no any separated technique. There is no any other technique to understand this. So here a syllabi, errata, data and media are Latin plurals. Crisis is crisis, phenomena, next one thesis, diagnosis. These are the Greek plurals. Okay, thank you.